What's going on, YouTube? Surreal Martin back with another video. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, turn on push notifications, and like the video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another live trade. It's not on US 30 or any of the indexes or any of the pairs or gold. It's actually on XRP. As you guys know, the SEC is currently suing XRP or Ripple, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, they on their ass. They on their ass right now. And I got to get the money. I got to get the money, man. So I wanted to record another live trade for you guys. I know it's been a while. And what I'm trying to do is now I'm trying to be more consistent with these videos. I had a couple personal things that I had to take care of, but we're going to be more consistent with these videos going into 2021. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on push notifications. You don't want to miss any of this. So earlier this morning, I deposited $125.26 into this new account just to show you guys. I've actually been trading it on one of my other accounts, but I wanted to show you guys that you don't need a lot of money to make some money. So you can see here 20, 12, 29, or 12, 29, 2020. I deposited $125.26. And as you can see here, I jumped in with 2 standard lots on XRP, and right now we're currently at 331.56. So I figured it'd be dope to show you guys this live trade, and you know, just to tune in, tap in with you guys. I haven't been on here in a long time, but the views are going up, the subscribers are going up, and if you see this video, please make sure you subscribe. You know, it keeps me going, it helps the YouTube algorithm, and I want to consistently do this more and more and more for you guys. So yeah, we're in Ripple right now. I'm kind of letting it play out. This thing has had the nastiest, most disgusting sell-off I've seen in a very long time. I'm talking ass whooping, man. You hear me? Ass whooping time. Beat down. And I need me some of that there myself. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. We're currently up 187 bucks. I'm just letting Ripple play out. I might let it play out for a couple of days. So I'll tune back in and let you guys see how this trade turned out. But yeah, guys, just, you know, Surreal Martin checking in. Hope you guys like the video. It's just another live trade video. I will be posting more content. So please, once again, I hate to ask. Trust me, I hate doing this. But subscribe and like the video, man. It helps the algorithm. I got one video, if you go back and check one of my videos, which is my live US 30 trade, going crazy. It's going nuts, man. You hear me, man? So yeah, make sure you do this with this one too, man. Let's get it going. Let's get the algorithm popping. Oh, we up to 1890 now. We getting to the money. We getting to the money. Nah, but seriously, man, appreciate everybody that's been tuning in. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support. And stay tuned, man. See you guys in the next video. Peace.